GLC has been the most popular model from Mercedes-Benz for many years, and now the electric version has been revealed. The all-new electric GLC is set to expand the lineup starting in the first half of 2026. From the outside, unique iconic grille redefines the brand face. Another highlight are the beautiful and distinctive lights both at the front and at the rear. I'm really loving this new design and unique features. Inside, the main star is 99.3 cm 39.1 inch MB.OS hyperscreen. The powerful 360 kW GLC 400-4matic with EQ technology is the first in the all-new electric model series to make its debut. It combines high efficiency with great driving pleasure and excellent performance. The top speed is 210 km per hour, preliminary range up to 713 km. In addition to the GLC 400-4matic, 4 further impressive models will follow. One of the highlights of the new electric architecture is the 800-volt system. It maximizes efficiency and performance and can significantly reduce the charging time in conjunction with the new battery generation. A range of up to 300 km can be recharged within 10 minutes according to WLTP. Fast DC charging is possible with up to 330 kW for the GLC 400-4matic. A so-called DC converter is installed on a country-specific basis. This enables charging at 400-volt fast charging stations. The GLC 400-4matic uses a lithium-ion battery with a usable energy content of 94 kWh. Tell me in the comments how do you like the car and do subscribe for more.